In this particular section, we also have the reference setting key, which essentially means that regardless of where your machine or device happens to be located at any given moment, by simply pressing this specific button, that exact location will be designated and defined as your new reference point. The next set of buttons that you see right here are for the mirroring functions relative to both the x-axis and the y-axis. These two, one is now relative to the x-axis and the other one relative to the y-axis. And the transform key, where you can give a scale to your x and y axis. Now, 100% means it's the original size of your work. You can make it smaller or larger or rotate it according to a specific angle. For example, we'll set it here to 45 degrees or even up to 50. The output we get will be a work, a piece that has been rotated by 45 degrees and is exactly half of its original size.